Happy Thursday, everybody. Today is Advocacy Thursday, and I was traveling for a week, and during that travel, I heard a statistic that just absolutely floored me, and I thought, I need to do a daily spoonful on this, maybe even a long-form video, but it's one of my most important topics. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful, a quick dose of low-carb truth to fuel your day. And today's topic, our kids deserve better than Ozempic. Today's message is really a call to action for every parent, grandparent, teacher, aunt, uncle, and caregiver out there. Because what's happening to our kids is a full-blown metabolic crisis. In the United States today, nearly 20% of the children ages 2 through 19 are considered obese. That's 1 in 5 kids. And it's not just about weight, it's about what it's doing to their bodies. We're seeing surge in prescriptions for weight loss drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy in kids as young as 12. In fact, prescriptions for GLP-1 agonists in adolescents jumped by over 500% between 2020 and 2023. But here's the thing, these drugs are not fixing the root cause. And what's the root cause? A toxic environment built on ultra-processed food, high-carb junk food disguised as kid food. The fallout, children are developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, prediabetes, and full-blown type 2 diabetes. I've never seen a child with that in my 36 years as a physical therapist. Insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome, polycystic ovary syndrome in girls, estrogen dominance and early puberty, hormonal acne, inflammation, and joint pain. And as a college professor, I saw mood swings, anxiety, and depression and brain fog over those 30-some years increase. And what's worse, we're normalizing it, we're medicating it, and we're calling food like eggs, steak, and fruit extreme, but yet we let our kids guzzle sugar and seed oils all day long. So instead of a nugget, here's my nudge for you today. Let's turn this around. Let's model health. Let's advocate for real food in lunchboxes. Let's teach kids that food is really to fuel your body. It's not entertainment. And we don't need to be perfect. You just need to be intentional and make sure they're getting the good food. Because these aren't just statistics. They're our sons, our daughters, our grandchildren, our students, our nieces and nephews. They deserve better than a life of prescriptions. If this hit home, subscribe and share this video with someone who cares. Then visit my Keto Basic playlist to learn how small changes can change lives. That's what we do here on the Primal Professor. We use a low-carb lifestyle to change lives. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this has been your Daily Spoonful. When it comes to our children's health, food matters, you matter, and the time is to act now.